Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Bitcoin. Of course, we're going to do a full update. I mean, right now, in general, I think the situation is still pretty similar as to what it was yesterday morning, but especially as it was yesterday during the afternoon. All right, so when we did the middle of the day market update, because so far Bitcoin looks pretty good. All right, we had a good start of this month. We had a ton of volume. Right now the volume is like 31 billion or something like that. No, just below, like $30.5 billion right now. The volume is at a bit lower actually, but around that level, doesn't matter. And what we saw is that we got some good momentum. All right, you can see at least initially during the day yesterday, we got a ton of positions opened, over $2 billion in positions. Spot also seems to have found a bottom, even though after yesterday afternoon the spot CVD did drop down a bit, which is not amazing. So that's a bit of a bearish indication. We had a bit of a sell-off here from 70,250, which is also not weird, because the main thing we're trying to kind of gauge is, all right, well, we have a major resistance level if you go to the daily time frame here at 71,500. And the main question is all right, well, can we actually get there, and will we find resistance there and then drop down and potentially breaking above that? I mean, right now I think that's hard to believe, all right, because this is a very strong consolidation, a very strong resistance level at the range high of that consolidation. So to break above that, you need a ton of momentum. You need maybe some sort of a catalyst. And I do think we have a lot of momentum here, but I'm not convinced yet that we can break out, all right? But getting there is still pretty good, all right? Because getting there from the current levels is still about a 3.5% move, and from the bottom of the consolidation, it's pretty good. And just in general, a Bitcoin above $70,000, if you would have told me that we wanted to get that a couple of months back, that would have been amazing. So that's the main question. Like, was this the top, and will we now drop back down towards the bottom of the consolidation, or can we actually rally up higher? And there's and like I said, there's multiple confirmations basically in both sides. All right. So the gain of momentum we've seen is great yesterday, at least. So the start of the month is good, and it's always great to have a good start of the month. But if you look at the momentum right now, momentum has again increased, but this time around it's not only long orders. Like you can see in the past 2 or 3 hours, it's mostly long orders. But before that, we actually got some major shorts coming in as well. And those shorts coming in again is very ambiguous, because what that means, and you can see that right here, is that we have a lot of liquidity now to the upside towards 71,000, but also a lot of liquidity to the downside. So that kind of like the main question is which one will we test next? And I don't have the answer. I think if you really zoom into Bitcoin here, I would say that we look a little bit more bullish than bearish, but we're waiting for some sort of a confirmation. We're waiting for some sort of a breakout here, and then after that breakout, we know a bit more. So due to the momentum increase and due to my expectations for June, I think it's more likely we're going to get that bullish breakout, so that we break above 69,500 and that will rally up towards 71,000. That's what I think is most likely. But you have to know that I am pretty 50-50 on this. And I think it's better, if you're not in any position, I think it's better to wait for some confirmation. And then when we have that confirmation, so either a breakout below 68,500 or above 69,500, then you have that confirmation, then you can be a little bit more sure about the next moves. So that's what I think you need to know for now. All right, now I will keep you updated on this in the later in the afternoon. I'll do my middle of the day market update, but for now, this is what you need to know. All right, so thank you for watching. Take care and bye.